Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the sunzone Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get the box open here, you'll see it comes with a nice little carry case, which is pretty sweet. Pop her open, and we'll have instruction manual, a couple batteries here. You'll have additional pieces, it looks like, that may have shifted during moving. Additional filter here, 2 of them. Power, different types of vacuum pieces here. And then, of course, it looks like you'll have 3 total of these, actually. So really nice to have that. And up top, I don't know if you can see this or not, there is another accessory that was kind of fitted in. Gives you a couple different options here. So I'm going to just stick that back in. Real simple how this cleans. Just pull that out and, of course, push that back in. You can probably see there's a little bit of a line here. You'll kind of want to just align that with your filter. And as you can see, it kind of just has a little flap there to keep things in and out. Simple trigger button. We'll open this up real quick. And when we charge these up, you're literally just going to plug this in like so, and then plug that into a regular simple outlet. And this will just kind of slide in to the bottom. And there we go. Real simple, real easy. Really solid power. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate this, but not much more to it other than that. I love, again, the travel case concept here and the different adapters that come with it. That'll just kind of go right in here. But we'll go ahead and start to put this thing in action here. All right, so I've been vacuuming a little bit. I'm going to just continue to kind of show you, and hopefully you can kind of see before. I've done the right side a little bit, but I'm going to do the left side, and hopefully you can see it as I vacuum. So a couple things. First of all, I want to show you that it does have kind of like a staticky, like there's all kinds of stuff on here, as you can see. So you may need to just kind of rinse this off a couple times afterwards. But I more importantly want to just show you the amount of stuff it picks up. It's really impressive what it does. So obviously clean this out, rinse it out, and everything like that. But very effective. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.